I've cracked the code to becoming a master musician in 2024, and I'm sharing it with you today. Are you ready to unlock the secret to becoming a master musician in 2024? It all starts with music education. Now, learning music theory is essential for understanding how music works. It's like learning the alphabet before you can read. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you typically become. Set aside time each day to hone your skills. Take lessons from a professional musician if you can. They can provide guidance, feedback, and help you improve your technique. Experiment with different genres and styles of music. Don't limit yourself to just one type. Explore and expand your horizons. Collaborate with other musicians. Working with others can help you learn new techniques and gain valuable experience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every musician makes them. It's all part of the learning process. And embrace them and keep moving forward. Remember, becoming a master musician takes time and dedication. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator channel for more music education tips and tricks.